Hi, in this video, we will take a look at how you can install the Fortnite games on a new iPhone 11 Pro and start playing games on it. So to do so, first you need to go into the App Store. So swipe across the screen and find App Stores. In App Stores, tap on the search icon, and then in here you just simply key in the word Fortnite, and then tap on it. And then go down here and tap on the download button. So Fortnite, Battle Royale and Party Hub, so tap on that. And you can see here it is now trying to install. So if you go back to the desktop, it is now loading and installing. So just wait for that to finish. It can take some time. Okay, once it's finished installing, tap on it. And then tap on Find My Account. It's not finishing yet, so we still need to do some further downloads. But right now we're just going to go in and then try to sign in. If you don't have an account, try to create one. Then just simply tap on the login button once you put in the username and password. And here it is. It will redirecting. So now it is showing the Epic Games. So tap on the skip button. Otherwise, you can watch the intro. I'm just going to tap on the skip. And you can see here, tap on the install button. It requires 5.27 gigabyte of download data. So tap on that. And now it's connecting and downloading the data. So just wait for that to finish. Okay, once the app has successfully downloaded all the data, tap on play button. It is now loading, so it may take a few seconds. Now next, you can either don't allow or allow notifications from Fortnite. So I'm going to choose allowed. And now it's logging in. Just going to turn down the volume. And then tap on accept. And it is now trying to log in. On the next screen, you can either choose auto fire, tap anywhere, or dedicated button. So this is your personal preference, and then tap on select. And so if you change your mind later, you can go in there and change the file mode in the HUD layout tools. So just tap on got it. And that's it. So now you have successfully installed Fortnite on your device, on your iPhone 11 Pro. So you can start to play the games immediately by simply tapping on the play button up here. In here are different items, like in the lockers you can change the outfit, the skin. You can go to the item shops to purchase stuff. You can look at your profile, career profile. You can also go to the stores and purchase other stuff, like such as V-Bucks. There are some items that's on offers, limited time, such as the Batman cape, Crusader pack. So you can grab one of these items. They will cost you some money, so you can purchase them directly from the stores, or you can simply tap on the play button to start playing away. Now down here you can tap on this button to choose the different mod that you want to play. You got solo, duels, SWATs, team rumbles. Team rumbles is like you play against other players. They are divided into two teams. Each teams have around 20 players, so you play against other teams. So you got creative mode, playground, arena, trials, arena solo, and then you got some other custom party FFA. So just choose what you want to play. For example, team rumbles, and then tap on accept. And then you can tap on the accept button and then tap on play. And once you tap on the play, you just have to wait. Now on the menu here, you can tap on it to make some changes, such as the layout, the HUD layout. So I'm just going to tap on the wrong one, so tap on HUD layout 2, and in here we can add in other icons. So you should do that during the setup. So once the game started, you can actually change it, so we'll just wait for that. You probably can still change it, so I have a look to see if we can change during the game. So you can go in here and change it during the game as well. So you can drag all these shortcuts down here They're basically like shortcuts that you can add it to the screen. I'm just going to drag it down a little bit. So you can add all these items in here. Now this will allow you to build walls quickly. Building walls allow you to easily defend yourself, and it can also allow you to go up with stairs. So I'm just trying to align all these buttons. There it is. So there are a lot of other things that you can actually custom. That's just dependent on your personal preference. And then tap on the back key and then tap on applied, then exit. So there it is. So that's how you can install Fortnite on the iPhone 11 Pro, and then you can start playing immediately after that. So you can see the install is quite a large file. So it will take up around close to 6 GB of data on your device. So that is quite a big chunk. But if you have a very high storage space, this one here have 512 gigabytes of storage space, then you shouldn't have to worry about it. But if you have a very small storage space, then you have to be mindful of what games you want to install on your device. So that's it. So now you can start playing the games on your iPhone 11 Pro. Also, just another note is the graphic settings. So we go into settings. So this is the graphic settings that you can choose. Now at the moment it shows only 30 FPS. This is probably because it's on Epic settings. Now you can't change it until the game's end. Once the game's end, you can change the graphic qualities in here. More options will appear once the game's end. At the moment, the maximum frame rate is 30 FPS. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.